Back to Keystone. Holidays are over. Got some fresh snow. Here comes Big Ant.
Got a new Academy Team Series 2.0 here. Loving it so far. Plenty of pop and plenty of stability.
Last time I sauntered Darren, Natty Light,
Natty days.
he was hoedowing it.
They struggling getting up that hill right now. Struggling.
We use the family express lane because we are the first chair family.
Oh yeah.
Look, Big Ant, Freaky D,
Yeah.
Monster Mang.
I'm still working on a nickname. Don't
Monster
have one of those
Mash.
cool nicknames yet.
Ready?
Yep.
About an inch of fresh snow, but better than 0 inches. Try up to the top before it gets too crowded.
Oh, it's really snowing up here.
What's winter is frig. We're up here in the fog and the blizzard. Blizzard of 2024.
Oh, there you are. Hey!
What's up? Oh, they got the mute ground coming in hot for a big. We made it out.
He was digging right there. You can see it.
Got the pit. Going for 3! Woo!